Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create line texture on text. So first of all, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new artboard. Now go to type tool and write your text here. Now go to selection tool, select the text, press and hold Alt and Shift key together, click and drag to scale up proportionally. Here I'm going to make it bold. Now go to selection tool, select the text, go to object, click on expand, click on OK, then right click and ungroup it. Now go to ellipse tool, click and drag to make an ellipse like this. Now remove fill color and add stroke color. Now press and hold Control, press C and then press F. It's gonna make a copy of the ellipse and then place on the top. Now press and hold Alt and Shift key together. Click and drag to make it smaller proportionally. Now select both the ellipse. Go to blending tools. From spacing, here I'm going to select specify steps. Here I'm going to make 40 steps. Click on OK. Now click on both ellipses one by one. Now go to blending tool. And here I'm going to increase the specify steps. Click on OK. Now select all the ellipse. Here I'm going to stretch it up. Now go to object, click on expand, click on OK, right click and then ungroup it. Now go to selection tool, select the text and place on the top of the ellipse. Now select everything, go to object and go to path and then click on outline stroke. Go to object again, click on compound path, click on make, and from the pathfinder click on intersect. Now go to selection tool, select the text, press and hold Alt and Shift key together, click and drag to make it bigger proportionally. And now I'm going to increase the stroke, change the width profile. Now go to selection tool, select the text, right click and then ungroup it. Now select the text and stretch it up. Now here I'm going to organize the text. Now go to selection tool, select the text. Here I'm going to change the color by using eyedropper tool. Now select the whole text, go to object, click on expand appearance, then right click and ungroup it. Now your line texture text is ready. Thank you very much.